What we have new for the show is the V-Series Zone Audio platform, and that means we have the VZX 8-zone audio processor and 2 accessories that support it. This started as a replacement for our Bosch Plenimatrix line, but we decided to do a lot more and add new features that our customers want. So we added more I/O. We have 20 processed inputs and 8-zone outputs. We added a media player with storage, so we include a 32 gigabyte card that stores messages, chimes, and music files. So it can also do message playback and be your media player for your project. We have the VWP wall panel controller, and this is an excellent level, source, and zone controller with a full color screen. And then we have the VCS 8-zone call station. And the call station is great because, of course, you can page all 8 zones, but you can repurpose the buttons to be system control, like a mute or sending a message. So it's very flexible. The call stations also have customizable priority, so you can have different priority levels within that paging system. When you buy the product, you get a card and a sticker that with an IP address, and you just go. So there's nothing to download. There's no discovery. It's very fast and foolproof to get on there and start designing your project. We worked really hard on this product. I worked very hard to add the right features and have the introduction be successful, including a web app preview online so that customers can try it out before they buy it. And we made sure not to miss any detail that's going to make a difference.